Good afternoon. My name is Julius Hunter, and I will be presenting my digital technology plan, my vision for Auburn High School to better equip our students for the future. What the initiative entails is at Auburn High School we have about 1,700 students. We look to provide every one of those students, grade 10 through 12, MacBooks of their own so that they may use them not only in school but at home as well. Once the MacBooks have been ordered and received, they would be distributed to the students by the media specialists. Once the media specialists have distributed the MacBooks to the students, they would take a detailed inventory of the MacBooks, and they would make sure that every student is signing an agreement, understanding the rules and regulations that comes with use of the MacBooks. There will also be a stint of training to the teachers. The media specialist is a great person that can provide those professional development opportunities along with the administrators to teach teachers how to incorporate and use their MacBooks with their students in the classroom, and how to allow students opportunities to collaborate and learn together. Also be technical support provided to not only the students but the teachers as well. Since the teachers already have MacBooks and they've been previously trained and continuously trained on how to use their MacBooks properly in the classroom, I think that it's best for the training to be focused on the students and maybe a little for teachers in regards to how to use the MacBooks in the classroom. The MacBooks, I think that the day and age that we live in today, I think that Apple is recognized as the top-notch provider for technology, not just computers, but every type of technology. I think that students already use Apple MacBooks at a high rate, especially college students. It provides them with a lot more than an actual PC would. I also think that it's a lot cheaper to maintain over time. The software is very easily installed, very easily to upkeep and maintain, and it's also cheaper in the long haul. I also think that MacBooks can be used as a motivation for some students that may not have the resources or ability to get one on their own. I think it can motivate them to want to learn and to put forth more effort in school. This is a simple timeline to get everything done. August 2019 to October will be strictly for training purposes for the leaders and the teachers as well. And when we ordered the devices in November, the goal is to make sure we get inventory, make sure that all the software is up to date and all the issues are corrected. And once December gets here and furlough gets here, I would like to have those iPads issued during the furlough, either to their home address or a pickup date at the school as maybe as a Christmas gift for the students. I think it's important that we as educators continue to understand how technology can be used in the classroom. It can change the lives of people. It can motivate people, and it can also help with teacher and student relationships. And this concludes my presentation.